Hi! In front of me is Honor 8 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this device. Firstly, access Play Store and click on the search bar. Sorry, I have to turn on my Wi-Fi first. Click on the search bar, type iOS Launcher and download this free app from this developer over here. Following that, open it. Now click on Allow and tap Home button. If that option doesn't work, you have to go into sorry. Come on! It's running from me. Okay, so you have to access device settings. And then scroll all the way down, click on apps over here, click on the gear icon at the bottom, then select default app settings and click on launcher. Finally, tap on iOS launcher, choose change and click OK, then choose got it. And as you can see, Apple Layout was finally applied on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!